Hey guys, how are you? Let's take a good hard look at this kit. This new Panzer III ausf, so ausf, or however the Germans say it. I can't speak German, right? It's a pretty cool picture, isn't it? The package, I reckon, is really attractive. I reckon Rye Field do really well in their marketing and packaging, and I think that's, where they've got a lot of their cult following from. You see, you got cool little pictures, how they do those little pictures. I think they're popular. Got dust all over it because I've been making a diorama. So you got workable suspension in it. And you can make some different ones. So you can make that's a Africa Corps one, I think. That would be in Russia. That's the one I'm going to make. I reckon I'm going to make him just paint him white. And that's just a standard 43 one. Yeah. Well, that would be all pretty late. Or that would be what the British called a special. Panzer III special. But they've all got the, there's no choice for a 42, which is a little bit disappointing. But everyone loves their 60, so I think they just put that in there. I mean the caliber of the 50mm cannon. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got. As I say, they're really going for good quality, good quality approach, and their instructions really show that. You can see, like, it's all the colour in it, very clear, very concise, very well presented. Okay, and that's where it gets its edge over mini art, but I'm still going to make the case that mini art is number one. Maybe not in this video, but over time. I think mini art and ICM are number one at the moment. And I think Rye Field are good and close, but I think that mini art has the advantage. But you can see there, we've got some really good, clear, easy instructions. So really easy for the beginner modeler or the advanced modeler. Alright, so that's all really cool. And nothing, it's just the exterior kit. They've now released the interior one of this, and you can see there that they've just hollowed this all out. So this would be, you would be able to put the interior in this. You could scratch build it up anyway, but that new interior one does look good. But I wouldn't be getting it. So anyway, that goes on and on and on. So we'll have a look. You can make that open. Yeah, we'll have a look when we look at the screws. So yeah, all good, all good. So here we go once again with the options. So that would be your 1943 sort of Kursk one. Oh, that's a nice one. I like that one. This would be a 42. It wouldn't be a 41, it'd be a 42. But that would be good times, you know what I mean? When these guys were on their big blitzkrieg, doing their big encirclements in Russia. And this is the winter one. I do like this. I haven't painted a tank white yet, so that's something I really would like to do. And then you've got your Africa Corps one with some rare, but it did come out camouflage. Alright, so first things first, you get two just loose sprues here. This is the turret. Now, I did Mini Arts Panzer III, the version B model. So honestly, this does look good, but I don't know, the Mini Art one was just amazing looking. I don't know, this one, that one did look more better, but this one is quite adequate. You get some very light weld marks, and it's a very smooth thing, of course. And you also get the rear plate as well, and that's separate. They're the pin ejector marks at the back. You won't need to get rid of any of that, so all good, all good. Alright, so this is the first sprue here. So we've got all the body parts, so we'll have a look. We're getting, I do like all these accessories. They are moulded well, very well. As you can see, there's very little cleanup, and everything is very tight and crisp. It is a high quality kit. You know, with me, you'll be doing a lot more cleanup. This is not the case with this kit. You just pretty much cut these out, give it a slight scrub, and you can put it together. See, very nice weld lines, and you got very nice molded in hatch things, hatch hooks. All this is very nice. This is, you got your traditional turret ring, which I like these. Mini-Art does that as well. And here we've got the fully molded sort of, but it hasn't got the sides, just the, and that's not too bad in itself. You can see there. But nothing, you know, that blows you out of the park. It is what it is, you know. But it is very good. A lot better than Tamiya and all that, so you are getting your money's worth. So here we've got the sides. And they do look good, with some nice detail. And then you've got the ejector pin marks at the back. So the ejector pin marks are pretty big, and if you were to get rid of them, that would be a little bit of work. And then we've got this sprue here. Very nice, I like these. That texture is very nice. And the clips and all that kind of stuff are very good. So all the tiny little details are very nice. Your jack, pretty standard. Your tool, pretty standard. You know, it's crisp, it's nice, but it's nothing that's, you know, to write home about. This shovel's very nice. It's got the all the detail on it. We got an MG there. The texture on the jack block is very nice. And as I say, once again, those hinges are very nice. There's slide moulding here for the air intake. And they've done some tricky, nifty moulding with that there. Very nice clips for a mould. Very nice. Usually you just get a block, you know, with dragon and all that. Really good stuff. I'm seeing I've ordered a Panzer IV by Mini-Art because they're not in Australia yet, so I've had to order it from China. This looks good, but Mini-Art one looks awesome. Like, they've got the photo etch clips for it and everything. Like, yeah, as I was saying, like, these guys are going out of control. And they're very fine. That's very fine moulding, but very nice and crisp. Nice detail in it. I like how this works here. This stuff here. Very nice. The next one we get is this one. So we've got that box there. Let's just say, yeah, you could open it. It's got the lid there, so you could have that opened or closed. We've got the mantlets. I think that's one. And then we've got these slide molded. Some different choices. And you can have the machine gun in or out, which is good. I like that choice. I usually take them out. And that's pretty good. So, see any pin marks? I don't see that. I think that's the interior. Very good. And none on the exterior. Good. Good. So that's good. That's really good. That's nice. Well done there, guys. This is nice too, the basket. Good detail on that. And you see, it's not too bad. Not too shabby. There's that lid. And then we got the... Oh, that's nice, isn't it? The turret. That'll have some good detail building that up. But you see, like Rye Field, you know, Rye Field and Mini are really, you know, number one at the moment. These guys are very close, as I say, like they're very, very close to each other. And yeah, you get two of these. Yeah, that's bloody nice. That is good. And I haven't put the connectors on the inside, which is nice. It's been the fashion lately, and you do have your Continental, of course, which is the fashion these days, written on it, and you get a serial number. I don't think you can actually see that at the moment, maybe. Now they've even got writing on them. Yeah, that's really nice. The arms, look at these, look at them. So everything is really good. Very well molded, isn't it? You get two of those. Alright, let's have a look in the box. What else do we get? So you get this really big quiz part. It's massive. Really big. So there's a lot of stuff there. You get the link and length tracks. So you get those with the holes. And you get the pins in there. The pins look really solid. Heaps better than the Mini Art ones. See, they're really solid, tough pins. The border ones were really bad. That was really bad, that one. And I don't know, the decals don't look that great. You see, as I put that against the light. See how we go. Looks very similar to border. And I say Dragon and Mini Art really have really good decals. Like Dragon especially. Dragon's decals are amazing, and so is their photo etch. Mini Art photo etch is amazing as well. And this photo etch here looks really good. So I've never done a Rye Field one yet, but I say this stuff would be just as good as the other two. That is nice, those clips. Yeah, very nice. Well, anyway, that's my in-depth look at the Panzer III J version, the new one. Thanks, guys.